Sahil, first on the NCB probe today, why they went out and questioned Ananya Pandey, what they've got from her in terms of the answers that she's given, what they're making of the answers that Ananya has been given, and what do they hope to get when they go again and summon her at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Sahil.
Well, Rahul, Ananya Pandey was called because they found some chats of Aryan Khan with Ananya Pandey, is what NCB sources are telling us. I'm mentioning NCB sources because NCB has not gone on record yet about those particular chats with Ananya Pandey. Though they have mentioned it in the court, they haven't mentioned any particular name with respect to that. But today the Deputy Director General Narcotics Control Bureau did confirm that they had raided Ananya Pandey's house, and they have taken into possession her mobile phones, electronic devices. And of course, as the NCB has been probing since last 1 year, that whenever they take the electronic devices, the first thing what they do is to take a dump and then go through the chats and whatever data they download from those electronic devices. Now, what has happened with Ananya Pandey, and even earlier cases as well, is that the WhatsApp chats, because time and again it has been said that the WhatsApp chats are not to be taken as an evidence unless it is corroborated with some firm evidence which the Narcotics Control Bureau can find during the investigation. So of course, whatever is mentioned in the chat, they have said that Aryan Khan has consumed the drugs, Aryan Khan has purchased the drugs, Aryan Khan was part of a big supply chain, he's part of the conspiracy. So of course, whoever he has chatted with, and Narcotics Bureau suspects, Control Bureau suspects that those chats belong to some kind of buying and selling of the narcotic substances. They are going to call them, and that is why Ananya Pandey was also called. The questions were quite usual, whether Aryan Khan was consuming drugs, whether she herself was consuming drugs. And of course, it's a long list of questions which could not be finished in 2 hours time, because she was called at 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. She could finally reach by 4. So obviously after 6 there was no interrogation. So she has been called again at 11 a.m. in the morning. Now, right now, she is not a suspect. We cannot call her a suspect. She is not an accused. She can be treated as a witness as well if she gives them whatever they wanted. Please understand, even last time, a lot of Bollywood celebrities were called for questioning because their chats were found in somebody's mobile phone, and the keywords of the narcotics was found in those chats. That's why they were called for questioning, but they were not arrested. They were treated as a witness, and then the case continued. The charge sheet is yet to be filed. Since last 1 year, the charge sheet has not been filed in that case. But here also, what we can see is that right now she has been treated as somebody who has been found chatting with Aryan Khan, and that's why she's being questioned.
Okay.
If they suspect that she's also part of that, the same kind of a racket, then the further action might be taken.